Arduinos allow you to interact with the world. They can take any input, so anything you can detect in the real world, such as light, sound, movement, and they can process it in their code, so you get to make decisions in the code. So if there is a sound, move a particular part, which leads to the outputs. You can move motors, turn lights on, create sounds, or anything that you can think of that changes or alters the real world. Using these things in combination, building them up slowly, you can build interesting things. Say a coffee maker is basically looking for an input, so a touch of a button, processes the code, says I want a short black, grinds the beans, so runs the motor for a certain amount of time, and then waits until the water has percolated. All of this is actually controlled by a microcontroller, so something similar to the Arduino. Lots of things use embedded controllers, such as your TV or your microwave, and these are using chips like the Arduino as well. In the next video, I'm going to explain parts of the Arduino. This is important so that we can understand how this is actually functioning and what we can actually do. Examples of things that we can do is you can have a lamp turn on and off with the sun. You could build your own robot, or you can even connect things to the internet. Later on, we show you how to use a distance sensor to measure distance, connect to red, green, blue LEDs so that you can create a rainbow on demand, as well as combining them using code. So let's start identifying parts of the Arduino.